Class 11th Biology is the backbone of NEET. Almost 50 to 60% of NEET Bio questions come from Class 11th. But most students ignore it, rush through it, or don't revise it properly. In this video, I'll break down how to study, how to revise, NEET hacks that toppers use, and the most common mistakes you must avoid. Let's get started. How to study Class 11th Biology. Master NCERT line by line. NEET copies wording from NCERT directly. Highlight keywords like stroma, grana, plasmolysis, vivipary, phyllotaxy, etc. Mark NCERT diagrams. Each diagram is a potential NEET question. Break chapters into bite-sized pieces. Small chunks equals better retention. For example, break biomolecules into carbohydrates, proteins, enzymes, and practice questions on extra classes. Break plant physiology into photosynthesis, respiration, transport, and then practice questions. Make use of quick revision guides and videos available on extra classes platform. Make quick revision notes, or use the ones available on extra classes, 2 to 3 page summary after every chapter. Include formulae, like respiration ATP counts, Calvin cycle steps, and types of meristems. Before attempting any tests, go through these guides or videos. Use active learning. Speak out loud. Teach someone. Draw flowcharts and cycles. Convert paragraphs into bullet points or diagrams. This boosts memory by 2x. Part 2. How to revise. Follow a 3-level revision plan. Revision 1. Revise after finishing each chapter. Revision 2. Revise after 10 days of finishing a chapter. Revision 3. Revise around end of month. This prevents forgetting. Revise these diagrams first. Phloem versus xylem. Go through labels carefully and memorize them. Stomata structure with stoma, guard cells, nucleus and epidermal cells. Kidney nephron, illustrating glomerulus, loop of Henle, capillaries, collecting duct, etc. Plant tissues illustrating epidermis, cortex, phloem, and xylem. Mitochondria and chloroplast diagram. Types of movements. Just practicing 20 diagrams can fetch 20 to 24 marks. Solve 30 to 40 MCQs daily. Have a mix of easy, medium and tough difficulty level questions. Begin from easy ones. Practice these questions on extra classes. If you can handle the tough questions on extra classes, then your probability of scoring high improves. Check mistakes and go through the progress tab to understand your prep journey. Give mock test weekly. Every Sunday, try attempting a 90 minutes biology or chapter-wise test. Analyze wrong answers. Find pattern in mistakes. Let us explore the NEET hacks that toppers follow. Number 1. Focus on high-weight chapters. Class 11 heavyweights include plant physiology, biomolecules, cell anatomy of flowering plants, and structural organization in animals. These contribute 25 to 30 questions. That is 100 plus marks. Make NCERT books your Bible. Don't use any extra books initially. Most students waste time in reference books. Toppers first master NCERT, then only refer to Allen or Physics Waller modules. And then extra classes for test series. Spaced repetition plus active recall is equal to maximum retention. Try recalling answers without looking. This technique helps remember long chapters like plant physiology easily. Let us look into the mistakes that you should avoid. Ignoring Class 11 because it feels too basic. NEET doesn't think so. Examiners love these chapters. Memorizing without understanding. Especially in chapters like plant physiology, understand pathways, don't mug them. Zero diagram revision. Most NEET questions come from diagrams and examples directly. Not practicing enough MCQs. You need 6,000 plus biology MCQs across 11th and 12th to score 350 plus. Watching too many lectures. Studying is not equal to watching videos. Read, write, recall, and solve MCQs on extra classes. Final advice to Class 11 NEET aspirants. Class 11 biology is where toppers get ahead. If you build strong foundations now, Class 12 becomes easy, and NEET becomes predictable. Thank you for watching. If you want chapter-wise notes, quick revision guides, NEET hacks, and daily MCQs, subscribe to the channel and check out extra classes. Your NEET preparation becomes 10x easier when you follow the right strategy. All the best, and keep studying smart. Join extra classes for free today. Use the link and the promo code in the description.